Sixth grade lesson 9. Carter will read 48 pages in 6 minutes. How many pages at that rate will Carter read in 10 minutes? So to find the amount of pages Carter reads per minute, you would do 48 over 6. And then to see how many pages he will read in 10 minutes, you just multiply your result by 10. So 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. And then 8 times 10 is equal to 80. C. So for number 2, Julieta sells hand crocheted baby booties. The price of 6 booties is 111. What is the price of 4 booties? So to find the price of 4 booties, when the price of 6 booties is 111, to find out price per booty would be 111 divided by 6, which is 18.5. And then because that's the price of 1 booty, you would find the price of 4 by multiplying 18.5 times 4, which would be 74. And this isn't really an option here, so I'm just gonna add that. Number 3, what is the average speed of a plane that passes 2,500 miles in 4 hours? So 2,500, and because all of the rates here are miles per hour, you would do divided by 4 to get per hour, which is equal to B, 625. It is expected to have 2 sunny days per week in February. What is the expected number of sunny days in February? So February has 4 weeks, and because it's 2 sunny days per week, you would do 2 times 4, which is equal to 8. Samantha paid $56 for 2 pairs of socks. What is the price for 9 pairs of socks? So for here, you do 56 divided by 12, which would get you the price per sock or per pair of sock. And then you would multiply that by 9, in which you would get the result $42. 12 bottles contains 8 liters of sodas. How many bottles contain 12 liters of soda? So 12 bottles contain 18 liters. So right here I would do 18, this is liters, and by 12, this is sodas, which I would get 1.5 or 1.5 per liters per soda. So how many bottles contain 12 liters of soda? You would find this out by doing 12 divided by 1.5, which is equal to 8. B. Michael sells tickets to a football game. He sold 321 tickets in 3 hours. How many tickets at that rate will he sell in 5 hours? So 321 divided by 3 is equal to 107. And then since that is the amount of tickets sold per hour, to find out how many he sells in 5 hours, you would just multiply that by 5, in which your result would be A, 535. 9. Aoi traveled by bus. She traveled the first 2 hours at a consistent pace of 60 miles per hour, and the next 3 hours at a constant speed of 70 miles per hour. What is the distance Zoe traveled in 5 hours? So the first 2 hours was 60 miles per hour. So because there were 2 hours, it would be 120 because 60 times 2. And then the next 3 hour would be 70 times 3 because 70 miles per hour is for 3 hours, which you would get 210. So because we want to find the total distance traveled, you would add these up to get C, 330.